Hello everyone, welcome to TechieLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache in your Google Chrome browser. Now once you open up your Google Chrome browser, all you need to do is click on these three little dots from the top right corner and then click on clear browsing data, and then this will pop up. Now from here, what you have to do first is select the time range. So let's say if you want to select cache for the last 24 hours, then you need to select 24 hours. If you want it for 7 days, then you need to select 7 days. So I'll just select 24 hours. Now if you do not want to clear or delete the browsing history, you need to uncheck this box. And if you do not want to delete or clear the cookies, you need to uncheck this box as well. Now we are just going to delete or remove the cache. At this point, all you need to do is just click on clear data, and we have just cleared the cache for the last 24 hours in our Google Chrome browser. And that is how you can clear cache or delete cache in your Google Chrome browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.